Guys, welcome back to Alien Programmer. In this video, we cover the conditional statement. So, what is conditional statement? It's called as test condition that proves the given variable or statement is true or false. Like we can express this in this manner. Like we do practical thing. Like we choose one variable. Like a is equal to 5. That's a declared. Then we put condition on it. If a equal, we are using two equals because is already used in this like to declare a variable, so it's not supported in this condition. Especially condition have three things: equal, so here equal, not equal to, and greater than, equal to, less, equal to. This type of condition are is we are using in this. It's called as conditional operators. Okay, if a is equal 5, this is the syntax of if. We have to put colon here, then go to this block. It not covered in this portion. This is the block. Then print true. Like your statement is true, a is 5. Then else. Else, if you want to conditional, if you want to put a condition in else, you can put. But because of I will show in the another practical after this in this video. Else colon print false. Then true. It's evaluated, executed, and it's become true because it's the right statement. Now, if you want to do with the two operators, like b is equal to 6, okay, then we can also do the things like if a equal b, then print true. Okay, now if you want to do another condition, okay, then simply write elif and put another condition, a greater than b, then print a greater than b. Okay, or last, if you want to add another condition, then you can add with the use of elif a less than b, print a less than b. Else, don't forget to put, it's not compulsory to put else in the every statement, but if you have any condition regarding this, then don't forget to put else at the end. Print false. Okay, yes, a is less than b, it's executed, and you clearly see that a is less than b, like b is greater, b's value is 6, so 6, 5 is always less than 6. So this is it from the if else statement or conditional statement, and we also see the operators of conditional operators called as conditional operators. So thank you guys for watching this video, and stay with us for more videos on Python or any programming language. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to all Alien Programmer for more videos. Thank you.